let me introduce, as you all know about Science Institute right now, Science Institute is one of the international institute for water management. Yeah, run and found the great Dr. Chef Vinod Kumar. And this institution is recognized countrywide. Yeah, people know from North India, to east to south, to Tamil Nadu to any states in India. We all know about Chef Vinod and also about science institutions. If you have any doubt, you can please go through Google in terms of their achievements and their teaching skills and also their training expertise. Please go through it. And science institutions, as you all can see, found in 2004. Yeah. So we know one of the leading institutions in South India and students from all over India. So already Chef Vinod has 16 years of experience with his institutions, and also he has trained and educated thousands of students through 16 years career, and he's going to do a lot more in the years to come. So it's me, Chef Prabhu Dhananjayan. You can all see it now. I got to Piano Princess, Demi Chef the party, which is almost a senior level at that time. Because of my previous knowledge, previous interviews, I went in the interview very well. I was working for them for 4 years. I climbed up my career in every contract. So I had an opportunity to work with Foreign America Cruise Line, which is currently still working there. Now I'm in vacation. We all know that it's pandemic now. People from cruise liners are back home right now. So I'm back here. I've been working for Holland America Line as second executive chef. I joined as chef de cuisine for the last 2 years right now. And we all know that all the cruise industry crew members, we are all chefs, all F&B people, bar people, housekeeping. You take any department from cruise liners, they are back home right now due to pandemic. And we are going to come back strong. We are going to get this, things going. And I had an opportunity to work for cruise liners, and I had an opportunity to do a webinar with Science Institutions. So I'm here right now. So let us go to introduction to the cruise industry. So we all know what cruise industry. Cruise industry is all about, there are a lot of different things. You can take cargoes, oil tankers, warships, and you take passenger cruise ships. Here we are going to talk about passenger cruise ships. What is financial freedom? It's all about dollars. We all know cruise industry is dollars. The main thing, beauty about cruise industry is completely tax-free. The company, any company you go, they will take care of the insurance. You can travel around the world. Okay, where people may not get this opportunity with free of cost. Mainly, you will never get an opportunity in land base. You go to any country, get an exposure to work with at least, this is an average numbers we are showing here, 130 countries, citizens we are going to go through. Career growth. So we are all in a dream to get up in career through a career path. We all know that. What does this mean? When you get in there, you may get into a initial basic level of cook level or whatever you call it. You get in there into the cruise line with your progress, in terms of with your knowledge, with your learning, with your performance, get into a different level in terms of, we know in culinary, in any F&B service, in bartending, in housekeeping, every department, we have a lot of growth factors. When you show your performance, you can get in your career. Like, your salary will go high, your career will go high, your designation will go high. End of the day, in a couple of years, you get into a good level and you can learn a lot more things, and you can also get more money. You can get a lot of money, you can get financially well grown. Opportunities graph. See, this is very, very important. A lot of you all may not know. I'm still with the company. I'm always getting emails from the company. Now scenario is changing. Opportunities is going to be millions of opportunities. Also, next year, there are a lot of new ships have lined up. People have not to worry about, oh, pandemic now, industry is not going to come up and all. Now, from next year, we're going to see a lot more changes in cruise lines and millions of opportunities going to come up. Now in 2020, do not think about pandemic right now. When it's going to open up, it's going to open up huge. In 2021, it's going to be a lot of vacancies, millions of vacancies, I could say. This is not a false statement. Please do not go through any Google and see. These are all the, like me, there are a lot of people, you can check with the industry people who are all back home right now. These are all the guidelines to you all, you could see it, these are all from the HR departments of hotel and also the cruise industries mainly, given their feedbacks. They are getting a lot of vacancies, but they are not getting the right candidates, right applicants with the right attitude, right documentation, right certification, right experience, right knowledge in terms of cruise industry. Without that, they are all applied, and all the companies, recruitment companies are saying, we have got 10 lakh vacancies, which is 1 million. 1 million is 10 lakh. So they got 1 million vacancy right now. This is from all the cruise industry HR and recruiting companies. But they are saying they've got only 7 lakh applicants, which are not selected. They've got only very less right candidates. From January onwards, it's going to be a lot more vacancies coming. Cruise industries are going to pay well, whatever it may be. For even the fresher, with the right attitude, with all the certification, with all the knowledge, with all the little experience what they have, they're going to get at least a good salary to start with. So here, we, with the expertise for so many years, saw institutions, and with a lot of chefs like me, they have put up a 7 steps to get a job in luxurious cruise line. USPH. We all know, we should know, United States Public Health Certification is very, very, very important. You go to any hotel department in the cruise lines, doesn't matter. You are in the bar, you are in the galley kitchen, you are in F&B service, you are in housekeeping. This one particular certification is very, very important. You need to really learn about this. And after this pandemic situation, this USPH guidelines, it's going to be very, very strict from next year onwards. With this COVID situation, it's going to be very strict. The sanitization, the cleaning procedures, the United States Public Health Guidelines, it's going to be really strict, and we need to get ready for that. It's not like before, you can learn from somebody, hey, it's been there, we know, it's there in Google. It will not work out. We are here to guide in that, and this certification is must. It's not only 3-bucket system. There are a lot of criteria in there, which we will share it with you, and you can go through it and learn. STCW, this is must for all departments in the cruise line. Cruise liners have various departments. They call deck, they call engine department, they call security, they call hotel department, where we have all front office. You take, purchase, you take accounts, you take, everything, and then crew officing department. You take any department for every single person, take from captain level to bottom level, any kind of a crew member, you need this certification. CDC. Now CDC is very, very important. It is called Continuous Discharge Certification, which means you are allowed, you've been approved to get into any cruise line jobs. You need this certification. It's a passport kind of a certification given by Government of India. Okay, it's very, very important. Now these 3, whatever I said right now, it is must before even getting into an interview level. Communication. English is this only spoken language in cruise industry. Now how to get, trained, how to really go and crack this interview, how to attend this interview, how to get this visa approved. So we are here to teach you how to go and attend this interview. Subject knowledge is very, very important. We will definitely teach you, and we got a lot of expertise here, like us, like me, we have colleagues here. We will teach you in detail, and make sure that you're going to get this interview passed and also get placed into the cruise line. Online Marlin English test. I think these are all newly introduced cruise lines from last 2 years. This is again must test. English test again. We are here. We have got a lot of mock tests online here. We will teach you. You can go through it here. You can, do a mock test. Mock test in the sense you can try it here. You can see what is the score you are getting. So that will be easier when you do the Marlin test for the interviews. Those expectations from HR departments of cruise liners, which we spoke about right now, they are only looking at the merit students. They are only looking at the people who can speak English, who know the basics, who did all this certification, who have all this documentation. They will be looking at the people only with merit. When you get into the cruise line, how it will be for F&B service, how it will be for the kitchen, how it will be for the bar guy, how it will be for the housekeeping, and good communication, English communication, USPS certification, STCW we spoke about it now, CDC also we spoke about. So these are all the requirements by the HRs and recruiters of cruise industry. So now get trained. Yeah, we could see that. You can see in the slide, ability, growth, experience, advanced training, competence, learning, knowledge, all this we are here to train you. So for most important thing, we saw institutions, we are not agents. We are just trainers and we are mentors. Mentors in the sense, we try to share our knowledge with our experience, with our learning skill, whatever we have learned with the industry's best trainings we can give you. So these are our alumni in the sense, people we have got through our institutions to different cruise liners in the placements we are talking about. So these are all a little example. Lot more companies are missing out here. We would like to say few companies like Costa, P&O, Princess, MSC, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Jalesh, Aida, Cunard, Thomas Cook, Holland America Line, which is my company where I'm working right now, Viking Cruises. There are a lot more cruise lines in there. There are, as I mentioned in the earlier stages, that hundreds of companies there. They are all going to recruit from January. These are all our placed students. You can see in this slide, there are a lot more people. There are some people which you are showing you right now. So you could see how the offer letters looks like. The online USPH certification, which is aggregated by American Global Standards from USA. Our SAI institution is recognized and affiliated, which is aggregated with American Global Standards. This USPH certification, USPH itself we can see, which is American certification for cleaning standard, sanitization standards on board the cruise ships. So what is the highlights of USPH certification? Immediate placement assistance. Yeah, our SAI institutions will provide you assistance in getting the placement, and also these classes are done by the industry experts like me, which is a recorded classes. Another course, we have classroom session. I would personally recommend this session because you can come here, you can get one-to-one classes. To STCW, we've been spoken about safety and training certification, which is very important, must, mandatory for cruise industry. You go to any department in cruise liners, and CDC, which is continuous discharge certification, which is must also now. Now, without this, you can't fly out. Cruise line specialized programs, which we spoke about now, 30 days program, where we have cruise line USPS certification, which is 15 days training, as well as STCW plus CDC, along with that, 15 days as well. With this certifications, these institutions will help you fast track placement, which means you can quickly get placed. As soon as you get yourself prepared, you get yourself documented. Documented in the sense, you need to get all your certifications, which you mentioned right now, and you get ready with your knowledge, with your Merlin test, with your language skill and everything. And then signature class by Dr. Chef Vinod Kumar. So we know he has helped many people to get in there, and he is there to guide you and also to take a special class before you get into the cruise HR interviews. And classes by expert trainers like me, like us. There are a lot of people who can share their experiences and teach you all how to get in there, how to get the interviews done properly, and how to successfully get the appointment letter. And immediate login for interview, which means that, as I mentioned to you earlier, you're going to get a lot of interview calls. A lot of HR department are going to contact SOI institutions from December, which I know very well because a lot of companies are looking for institutions and placement people like SOI institutions. They're going to contact us so that we can put you in the interview immediately. One-to-one training will be given. See, which means if you have a final interview, we are here to train you how to get in there and how to attend the interviews and how to get in there. Yeah, we make sure that you are placed in there. So batch starts on the 9th, and all these courses, if anybody from out of station, we are here to help you with the accommodation which is closer to the institution,